2 packs of 2 Sensodyne Pronamel Tooth Enamel Protection Medium Toothbrush for sensitive teeth. Soft bristle, sensitive manual medium toothbrush that offers better cleaning with less pressure. Adult toothbrush that offers 2.5 times better pressure control. Convenient medium toothbrush pack comes with 2 soft toothbrushes for adults. Use this adult soft toothbrush with Sensodyne toothpaste twice daily. 100% recyclable packaging. Each Sensodyne Pronamel Medium Toothbrush provides effective enamel care for sensitive teeth. Designed to protect you against the effects of overbrushing, this medium bristle toothbrush is gentle on tooth enamel. With an ergonomic handle and slim neck, this manual toothbrush is easy to hold and helps you reach hard-to-clean areas to keep your teeth clean and healthy. This Sensodyne Pronamel toothbrush offers a better clean with less pressure than a regular toothbrush, making it the perfect complement to your daily oral care routine. Each tooth enamel toothbrush pack comes with 2 medium toothbrushes for adults, allowing you to replace one after 3 months. Brush your teeth twice daily with Sensodyne Pronamel toothpaste products for long-lasting enamel and teeth protection. In laboratory tests versus a standard flat trim toothbrush. Top reviews from the United States. Just the right amount of soft L. Replaced my typical soft toothbrushes with the Sensodyne Pronamel Medium Toothbrush. Their brushes are not as harsh as the typical toothbrush, even the so-called soft ones. The Pronamel brushes massage my gums as well as effectively brush my teeth. My mouth feels so much refreshed.